Hi guys, and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus and the chorus of the song 2002 by Anne-Marie. I'm going to show you how to play the original one. In the original one they use all the time bar chords. So if you still can't play bar chords and you really want to learn how to play this song, I have published another video where I show how to play an easy version of the same song. It's using the same tones but using a capo instead and using easy chords. So if you want to check that video, just follow the description where you're going to find the link. Otherwise, if you want to play the original one, just tune your guitar and let's begin. To play this song like the original one, we're going to use only bar chords. And we start with the verse. The first chord that we're going to use is an E major. Try to remember every position that we use on the different chords, because they are coming back all the time. So I'm going to explain how to play every chord just once. The first chord is an E major, and we put the index finger on the 7th fret, and then the middle finger on the 9th fret, 4th string, ring finger 9th fret, 3rd string, and pinky finger on the 9th fret, 2nd string. With the right hand, with the guitar pick, we're going to play from the 5th string, and we play 5th, 4th, 3rd and 2nd. Okay, like an arpeggio. At the same time, we're going to mute the strings. We're going to use palm muting, and that's placing the hand, this part of the hand, a little bit after the bridge, in a way that we get that sound, that mute sound. Okay, you get it? Okay, so when we have that chord, we're going to play it 4 times like this. Okay, pay attention to the rhythm. I play it one more time. Rest. If you notice, between the chords we have rests all the time, so we're going to stop holding down the strings. We don't lift the fingers, but we stop holding down. In that way we get those pauses, and at the same time we rest the thumb, because if we're going to play only bar chords, it can be a little bit painful for the thumb on the left hand. So we play that 4 times. That was the E major, and then we change to a B major, and that's, we have the bar on the same fret, on the 7th fret, but we put the ring finger on the 9th fret, 5th string, pinky finger 9th fret, 4th string, and middle finger 8th fret, 3rd string. And this time with the right hand we're going to start from the 6th string. Okay? And that chord we're going to play it only 1 time. And on that way we have the 1st and 2nd measure. And then we change to a C sharp minor, and that's moving the whole position that we have on that B. We move it 2 frets, and we lift the middle finger. On that way we get that chord, the C sharp minor. And that chord we're going to play it 4 times, as we did with the first chord. And we start as well from the 6th string. Okay? And then we move that same position until the index finger comes to the 4th fret. And we play that chord only 1 time. Then we moved 1 fret, and we place back the middle finger on the 6th fret, 3rd string. On that way we get an A major, and we're going to play that 2 times. And that's the measure 5. So now we have measure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm going to play it 1 time, and then we try to play it together. Okay, let's try to play it together. 1, 2, 3 and... Perfect. Let's try to play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And then we arrive to the measure 6, and that's moving that same position that we have on the A chord on the 5th measure. We're going to move that 2 frets, and there we get a B. We play that 2 times, and then we place the first chord that we play, that E major, and we play that 4 times. And on that way we have the whole verse. I'm going to play it 1 time from the measure 1 to the measure 8, and then we try together. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and that's the verse. So now let's continue with the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus starts with the C sharp minor, that was with the bar on the 9th fret, and we play that chord only 1 time. Then we change to the A, E, and B. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Get it? And there we have the measure 9 and 10. And then we come back to the A and we play it 2 times. And back to the B, but this time we're going to play 2 times, but the second time we're going to skip the 5th string, like this. Okay, so 1 time we play all the 4 strings. And the second time we play the 6th, 4th and 3rd. We skip the 5th. And that's the pre-chorus. I'm going to play 1 time and then we try together. Nice! So now let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, and... We can try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and that's the pre-chorus. So now let's begin with the chorus. The chorus starts with an A, then an E, B, and C sharp minor. And we play every chord only 1 time. That was A, E, B, C sharp minor. Okay, 1 time every chord, like this. You see that the rhythm is all the time the same. Okay, let's try to play those 2 measures together. Measure 13 and 14. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And we're going to play those 2 measures 3 times. Because if you take a look at the measure 15 and 16, they are the same. and then the 17 and 18 are again the same. So we have to play those 4 chords 3 times. So now let's try to play together from the measure 13 to the measure 18. 1, 2, 3, and again, and again. Perfect, and to end the chorus, we just come back to the A, we play it 2 times, and then back to the B, and we play it 2 times. And that's the whole chorus. So now let's play the whole chorus from measure 13 to measure 20. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. Now A 2 times and B. Perfect, and that's the chorus. Let's try to play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was 2002 by Anne-Marie. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you want to be updated with my new videos. And you can visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find the tabs for this song and many other lessons. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.